हेलो गाइस, रिदम लॉ में आपका स्वागत है। होप सो आप सभी अच्छे होंगे। फ्रेंड्स, अच्छे से अपना ध्यान रखिए। मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है खुश रहिए। आज हम बात करेंगे दिल्ली असिस्टेंट पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर 2010 के पेपर की। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, रिव्यू द financial position of which one among the following the governor of a state has power to constitute a finance commission. करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, बोथ पंचायत एंड म्यूनिसिपल बॉडीज। दिया गया है आर्टिकल 243I और 243Y में। मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट आर्टिकल्स हैं, जरूर देख लें। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स एंड आइडेंटिफाई द आंसर यूजिंग द कोड गिवन बिलो। स्टेटमेंट फर्स्ट, X in the house with a child which is on fire, knowing that the fall may kill the child but not intending to kill him and in good faith in the child's benefit. X drops the child from the house top to a blanket which was held out by some people below. Fortunately, the child died as a result of fall. X has committed no offense. Statement second, nothing is an offense which is done in good faith for the benefit of a person without his consent or consent of lawful guardian if minor or person of unsound mind. फ्रेंड्स, दिया गया है सेक्शन 92 ऑफ IPC. आंसर इज ए, बोथ द स्टेटमेंट्स आर इंडिविजुअली ट्रू एंड स्टेटमेंट सेकंड इज द करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन टू स्टेटमेंट फर्स्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, According to the Indian Evidence Act, a fact is said to be not proved. और नॉट प्रूव्ड की डेफिनेशन दी गई है सेक्शन 3 में, जो ना तो प्रूव हो और ना ही डिसप्रूव हो। तो करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा सी, फैक्ट इज नीदर प्रूव्ड नॉर डिसप्रूव्ड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, What is the maximum number of members of the House of People representing the Union Territories? और मैक्सिमम नंबर है 20. करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा सी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, सेक्शन 315 ऑफ द CRPC relate to the accused person as competent witness. With regard to this, which one among the following statement is not correct? A, accused can be compelled to adduce evidence by the court of law without any application in writing by him. फ्रेंड्स, ये गलत है और करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा ए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट डील्स विद रेलिवेंसी ऑफ एविडेंस, रिलायबिलिटी ऑफ एविडेंस, एडमिसिबिलिटी ऑफ एविडेंस. सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट आंसर यूजिंग द कोड गिवन बिलो. फ्रेंड्स, एविडेंस में रिलायबिलिटी की बात नहीं की गई है, तो करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा बी, फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड ओनली. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, which one among the following is not a duty of the Prime Minister of India? A, to communicate to the President all decisions of the Council of Ministers relating to the administration of the affairs of the Union. Correct है ये. B, to communicate to the President the proposal for legislation. ये भी correct है. C, to advise the President about disqualification of a member of Parliament. गलत है ये. D, to furnish information as the President may call for regarding administration of the affairs of the Union. आंसर इज सी, दिया गया है आर्टिकल 103 ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच वन अमंग द फॉलोइंग केसेस द राइट ऑफ प्राइवेट डिफेंस टू द एक्सटेंट ऑफ कॉजिंग डेथ इज अवेलेबल. फ्रेंड्स, कॉजिंग डेथ दिया गया है प्राइवेट डिफेंस के लिए सेक्शन 100 में. सारे क्लॉजेस देख लें, इंपॉर्टेंट हैं. ऑप्शंस देखते हैं. फर्स्ट, A was making an attempt to kill B which one of B's friend killed A to save B. और ये करेक्ट है, तो करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा ए. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं, हम देख ही चुके हैं. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं, एडमिशन अकॉर्डिंग टू द इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट इंक्लूड्स स्टेटमेंट मेड बाय एक्सप्रेसली रेफर्ड पर्सन. Second, agent of a party to proceeding authorized to make the statement. Third, person whose liability must be proved. Fourth, person from whom the party derived his interest in the subject matter. और ये चारों करेक्ट हैं, तो करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा ए, फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ. Next question is the question of disqualification of Speaker of the House of People on the ground of defection is decided by, और डिसाइड किया जाता है हाउस ऑफ द पीपल के द्वारा. करेक्ट आंसर इज सी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है 11th क्वेश्चन उस टाइम पर करंट अफेयर्स में रहा होगा इसलिए आया और इसका करेक्ट आंसर है बी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ वंस ऑन विटनेस इज, आंसर इज बी, परमिसेबल ओनली आफ्टर ऑब्टेनिंग द परमिशन ऑफ द कोर्ट. कौन से सेक्शन में है 154 ऑफ इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है which one among the following is not a relevant factor to decide whether an agency or instrumentality should be treated as state under Article 12 of Constitution? A. Deep and pervasive state control. B. Monopoly status conferred or recognized by state. C. Function which are of public importance. D. Profit earning. और करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा डी, प्रॉफिट अर्निंग. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है X was ill treated by her in-laws, including her husband H. After some time, she decided to leave her in-laws' house and jumps into a well along with her only child C, who she thought will not be taken care by his uncaring father after her death. X jumped into the well along with C. She died, but X was saved. X is liable for. Correct answer is A. Culpable homicide amounting to murder under section 300. Read with section 302 of IPC. Next question है which one among the following is not relevant under the Indian Evidence Act? A. Previous judgment to prove bar of a second suit. फ्रेंड्स ये करेक्ट है, अप्लाई होगा रेस जुडिकेटा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है which one among the following statement is correct? फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पर करेक्ट आंसर है सी. द प्लीजर डॉक्ट्रिन इज सब्जेक्ट टू आर्टिकल 311 क्लॉज सेकेंड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है विच वन अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज द रोल ऑफ द ट्रायल जज अंडर द प्रोविजन ऑफ CRPC. करेक्ट आंसर इज सी. टू बी impartial, play a protective role while exercising his power of examining or re-examining material witness and also the accused person after the prosecution evidence is closed. Correct answer हो जाएगा C. Next question है Indian Evidence Act declares that anything said, done or written by any one of the conspirator is relevant to prove conspiracy if it was in A. Pursuance of their common intention, reference to their common intention, prosecution of their common intention, redeeming their common intention. Correct answer is A. Pursuance of their common intention. Next question है function of the inter-state council does not include A. Adjudication of disputes pertaining to inter-state rivers. फ्रेंड्स ये करेक्ट है, करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा A. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है डी. ए बस ड्राइवर वॉज ड्राइविंग ए बस कैरिंग पैसेंजर ऑन ए कच्चा रोड. A speeding truck carrying goods came from opposite side, raising lot of dust resulting in poor visibility. D did not stop but continued to drive. B. A boy who was trying to cross the road was hit by the bus driven by D and died soon thereafter. Which one among the following statement brings out of the correct legal position? फ्रेंड्स करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा सी. नेग्लिजेंट एक्ट होगा. करेक्ट आंसर इज सी. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं photo fed, that is superimposed photograph of the deceased over the skeleton of a human body recovered from a tank to prove the fact that the skeleton was dead of the deceased was held to be admissible by the Supreme Court of India in the case of, और ये है रामलोचन वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल का केस. करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा ए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है ऑफ मैंडेमस कैन बी इशूड. फ्रेंड्स ये होती है पर्सन और एनी अथॉरिटी के अगेंस्ट. करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा बी, अगेंस्ट एनी पर्सन और अथॉरिटी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया हैज़ रिकॉग्नाइज द प्रिजम्पशन ऑफ इनोसेंस एज. करेक्ट आंसर इज सी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं Plea can succeed only if it is shown that the accused was so far away at the relevant time that he could not be present at the place where the crime was committed. The Supreme Court of India in this observation was referring to the plea of, और ये है plea of alibi. Correct answer is C. Next देखते हैं. Person has fundamental right to basic education, practice a profession, from association, approach the high courts for enforcement of his fundamental right. फ्रेंड्स ये था 2010 का पेपर. उस टाइम पर बेसिक एजुकेशन DPSP था, लेकिन अब फंडामेंटल राइट है, तो उस टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग करेक्ट आंसर है ए. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. X, aged 16 years, developed liking for his neighbor Y, aged 18 years, and was keen to marry him. When her parents came to know about it, they took her to a relative's place away from her home and decided to give her education there. After some days, X telephoned Y and asked him to come to a particular place. Y reached the place where X asked him to take her to a hill station on his scooter, where she proposed marriage, and Y responded. Before they could get married, the father of X filed complaint against Y under section 363 of IPC, and Y was arrested. Which one among the following statements give the correct legal position in the matter? Correct answer is B. Y is not liable as he has only allowed the minor to accompany him, having not taken any active role in her coming out of the keeping her lawful guardians. Correct answer हो जाएगा B. Next question is, which one among the following statement is not correct according to the provision of Evidence Act? A. Where a document is executed in several parts, each part is primary evidence of the document. Correct है ये. Next. Where a document is executed in counterpart, each counterpart is primary evidence as against the parties executing it. ये भी correct है. Next. Where a document is executed in counterpart, each counterpart is primary evidence for the parties executing it. Incorrect है. Next. Where the document itself is produced before the court for its inspection, it is primary evidence of the document. ये भी correct है. हमें देखना है कौन सा correct नहीं है, तो correct answer हो जाएगा C. An ordinance promulgated by the governor of a state lapses. Correct answer is C. After 6 weeks from the date of assembly of the houses of the state legislature. Correct answer is C. Next देखते हैं. Plea bargaining under Indian law implies. Correct answer is C. Bargain for lesser punishment or release on probation on accepting the charge. Correct answer is C. Next देखते हैं. Which one among the following statement according to the Indian Evidence Act is correct? Answer is C. All facts except the content of document or electronic record may be proved by oral evidence. Next question देखते हैं. Which one among the following statement is correct? और यहाँ पर correct statement है. No one can be subjected to narco analysis test without his consent. Correct answer हो जाएगा B. Next देखते हैं. Consider the following statement and identify the correct answer using the code given below. Statement first. A. The owner of a watch gives his watch for repair against a charge to B. A, however, took away the watch after repairing. Consider the following statement and identify the correct answer using the code given below. Statement first. A. The owner of a watch gives his watch for repair against a charge to B. A, however, took away the watch for repairing without paying any charge and without the consent of B. A has made himself liable for the offense of theft, as he has acted with dishonest intention at the time of taking his watch back. Statement second, the offense of theft is an offense against possession. Answer is C. फ्रेंड्स स्टेटमेंट फर्स्ट करेक्ट है लेकिन स्टेटमेंट सेकंड गलत है. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट द बर्डन ऑफ प्रूफ इन ए सूट और प्रोसीडिंग्स लाइज ऑन द पर्सन ए who instituted the suit or proceeding, B against whom the suit or proceeding is instituted, E who would fail if no evidence at all were given on either side, D whom the court may call upon. Correct answer is C. Who would fail if no evidence at all were given on either side. Next question is, consider the following statements and identify the answer using the code given below. Statement first, principle of equality before law and equal protection of law means that equals must be treated equally. Correct है ये. Statement second, all persons are not equal by nature, attainment or circumstances. करेक्ट आंसर इज ए. दोनों स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट हैं और स्टेटमेंट सेकंड करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन है. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. एंटीसिपेटरी बेल मीन्स. फ्रेंड्स ये कौन से सेक्शन में है सीआरपीसी के और करेक्ट आंसर क्या होगा आप हमें कमेंट बॉक्स में बताइएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. क्वेश्चंस कैन बी आस्क्ड और लीडिंग क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन में. करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा सी. ओनली फर्स्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है. बाय पार्लियामेंट्री लेजिस्लेशन द डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट वेयर एम्पावर्ड टू एनफोर्स द फंडामेंटल राइट्स ऑफ सिटीजन इन सर्विस मैटर. द लेजिस्लेशन इज invalid. Invalid if the decisions of the district courts are subject to appeal before the Supreme Court. C. Valid. D. Valid even if the powers of other courts are ousted. आंसर है C. Valid होंगे according to Article 32. Next question देखते हैं. Non-bailable offence implies an offence where. Correct answer is B. Grant of bail is discretionary with the court, but the discretion has to be exercised on well-established principle for grant of bail. इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. करेक्ट आंसर इज बी. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. एंड डब्ल्यू वेयर मैरिड रिसेंटली बट डब्ल्यू प्रिफर टू स्टे मोस्टली एट हर पेरेंटल प्लेस. दिस कंडक्ट ऑफ डब्ल्यू मेड एच एंग्री. ही केम टू टेक डब्ल्यू बैक फ्रॉम हर पेरेंटल प्लेस. When W refused to go, he tried to take her forcibly. At this, F, the father of W, angry and gave H 2 blows of lathis which landed on the head of H, who died soon thereafter. Is being tried for murder. He pleads right of private defense against the act of H, which he says amounts to abduction. Prosecution pleads abduction is not an offense and therefore there can be no exercise of right of private defense. Which one among the following statement gives the correct legal position in the matter? आंसर होगा B. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. A question in cross examination need not be confined to the fact testified by the witness on his examination in chief. करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा बी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है. ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द आर्टिकल 13 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया इज टू लिमिट द लेजिस्लेटिव पावर ऑफ द स्टेट. करेक्ट आंसर इज बी. Next question is, investigation under the CRPC is conducted by. Investigation is conducted by the police only. Correct answer is A. Next question is, oral account of the content of a document by a person who has seen it is. This is secondary evidence. Correct answer is C. Next question is, confirmation of an additional judge of a high court as a permanent judge of that court without consultation with the collegium of judges is invalid as held in SP Gupta case. Correct answer is A. This question is, strict liability in criminal law arises where mere act or illegal omission of the accused makes him liable for punishment irrespective of his guilty mind. Correct answer is D. Next question is, among the following statement is not correct. फ्रेंड्स करेक्ट आंसर आप हमें कमेंट बॉक्स में बताइएगा। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं, ए डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ फॉरफीचर अंडर सेक्शन 95 ऑफ CRPC कैन बी सेट असाइड बाय। करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, हाई कोर्ट अंडर सेक्शन 96 of CRPC. Next question is, B with the intent to temporarily use W's money and later on return it, instruct C, his 6 years old son, to take away W's purse containing 20,000 rupees without W's consent. C carried out the instructions. The criminal liability in this answer is D. B is guilty of abetment of theft and C is not guilty of any offense according to section 82 of IPC. Next question is, Indian Evidence Act does not apply to the proceedings before the arbitrator. Second, affidavit submitted by the deponent of his own. Third, statement made by a child. Fourth, statement of a person whose past is criminal. Correct answer is C, first and second. Next question is, which one of the following correctly describes the provision of Article 32 of Constitution? Correct answer is C. The right to approach to the Supreme Court under Article 32 is a fundamental right. Remaining questions we will continue in next video. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Share with all.